This is a 2010 Ford F-150, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. It features a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include full power accessories, 4 well-positioned speakers, a double wishbone independent front suspension, 17-inch wheels, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has fewer than 28,000 miles on the odometer. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
For everyday low pricing on new and used Ford cars and trucks, visit Mac Haik Ford. We are located at 10333 Katy Freeway in Houston. You can reach us at 800-280-2375.